One of the coolest things about the Temple of Zeus here at Olympia is that we actually have the workshop in which the cult statue of Zeus, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, was designed. And that's where we are right now. This is known as the workshop of Pheidias. And Pheidias was one of the most famous sculptors in the entire ancient Greek world. He was working in the kind of latter part of the 400s BC, right in the classical period of Greece. And not only did he design the cult statue of Zeus, he also designed the cult statue of Athena Parthenos, which would have stood inside the Parthenon on the Athenian Acropolis. Now, this building might not look like much today, but it served a key role in the construction process. For one, if you can see through that wall right there, we're actually looking at the Temple of Zeus beyond. So Pheidias could see where his sculpture would kind of serve its final resting place beyond there. The second thing is that the dimensions of this workshop are designed to exactly mimic those of the sanctuary where the cult statue would stand inside the temple. So not only could he see the temple, he would know exactly how his statue would look once it was placed inside. Now, the workshop of Pheidias has also produced some of the most interesting artifacts in all of ancient Greece, and we can see how the construction process would have occurred. So for example, we actually have ceramic molds that would have been used to construct the different parts of the statue. We can see part of a shoulder here, a fold in the toga there, and these would have been used as Pheidias put together the statue. We also get a small cup, small ceramic cup. And it doesn't look like much. It's a small black cup, a little bit of black glaze on it. But there's an inscription on this. And in Greek it says, "I belong to Pheidias." And so we actually have the cup that the sculptor of one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world might have used to drink his wine out of after a long day of working on the statue of Zeus at Olympia.